What if the foods you eat every day could quietly push your kidneys toward failure or help pull them back from the edge? And what if lowering your creatinine wasn't only about medications, but about choosing the right foods that actually support filtration and reduce kidney stress? Today, you'll learn the science-backed foods that lower creatinine, protect your kidneys, and may help you avoid dialysis according to the real studies. Your kidneys are your body's natural filters. When they struggle, creatinine rises, toxin build up, and the symptoms start creeping in. Fatigue, swelling, nausea, and scary lab results. High creatinine isn't the problem itself. It's a warning signals. It's your body saying your kidneys are under pressure. The good news, certain foods can reduce the pressure, improve filtration, decrease inflammation, and support kidney regeneration. And they were breaking down the top 5 foods scientifically shown to help lower creatinine and protect your kidneys. Blueberries are one of the most powerful kidney healing foods because they reduce oxidative stress, one of the biggest drivers of kidney damage. Kidney cells are extremely sensitive to inflammation, and when they are bombarded by free radicals, their filtering capacity drops, leading to rising creatinine levels. A study in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry found that blueberry polyphenol significantly protected kidney tissue from oxidative stress and reduced inflammation pathways. Another human trial showed improvements in endothelial function, which is crucial because kidneys rely on a healthy blood flow to filter creatine. Here's why blueberries matters. They contain anthocyanins, powerful pigments that shield kidney cells, improve microcirculation, and reduce the burden in your nephrons. When filtration improves, even slightly, creatinine naturally comes down. A handful of a day works, fresh or frozen, they're equally effective. Garlic does something unique. It reduces inflammation, improves blood flow, and lowers kidney-damaging oxidative stress all at the same time. In a meta-analysis, garlic supplementation significantly decreased inflammatory markers, including CRP and TNF-alpha, which are strongly linked to kidney decline. Another study found that garlic protected kidney tissues from toxic damage and reduced serum creatinine in animal models. Garlic helps the kidneys filter more efficiently by reducing inflammation in the glomeruli, lowering oxidative stress, inhibiting harmful kidney fibrosis pathways, improving vascular dilation and blood flow. Crushed or chopped garlic is the most effective because it activates allicin, the most compound responsible for many of these benefits. Just 1 to 2 cloves per day can make a measurable difference over time. Chia seeds are small but powerful. They help lower creatinine indirectly by improving metabolic health, blood sugar control, and the gut microbiome function, all major contributors to kidney decline. Clinical studies show that chia high soluble fiber content reduces inflammation and increases metabolic markers that place pressure on the kidneys. Another study showed that chia seeds significantly lowered oxidative damage and improves antioxidant capacity in tissues, including kidneys. Chia seeds also stabilize blood sugar, and diabetes is the #1 cause of kidney failure worldwide. While chia helps kidneys, reduces inflammation, improves blood sugar, lowers kidney stress, enhances gut detox pathways, provides omega-3s, LAA, which protects kidney cells. Add 1 tablespoon to water, yogurt, or oatmeal daily. Many people with a kidney issue struggle with the hypertension, which can be dangerous. Cauliflower is low potassium, but extremely high in anti-inflammatory compounds, making it one of the safest and the most beneficial vegetables for lowering creatinine. A study in the Journal of Nutrition by Biochemistry found that compounds in the cauliflower reduce inflammation pathways and protect kidney tissue. Another study found that cruciferous vegetables significantly improve markers of oxidative stress, helping the kidneys filter more efficiently. Cauliflower is packed with vitamin C, antioxidant, low sodium, low potassium nutrition, ideal for kidney health. Steam it, roast it, or mash it as a potato alternatives. Extra virgin olive oil is one of the most kidney protective fats on the planet. The Mediterranean diet consistently shows improvements in the kidney function, filtration rate, and inflammation markers. And olive oil is a major reason why. A controlled study found that polyphenols in olive oil reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the kidney tissue. Another clinical trial reported significant improvements in the renal function markers, including creatinine and BUN, in the patients following a Mediterranean-style diet rich in olive oil. Olive oil protects your kidneys by reducing glomerular inflammation, protecting blood vessels, improving insulin sensitivity, lowering oxidative stress. Use 1 to 2 tablespoons per day on salads or vegetables to support filtration and creatinine levels. Stay hydrated, but not excessively. Dehydration raises creatinine. Even mild dehydration can falsely elevate it. Drink steadily through the day. Avoid huge shock. Reduce high sodium foods. Salt increases blood pressure inside the kidneys, worsening filtration. A meta-analysis showed sodium restriction significantly improved kidney markers. Avoid NSAIDs, ibuprofen, naproxen. This hurt kidney filtration long term. NSAID use is associated with a higher risk of acute kidney injury. Control blood sugar. Diabetes damages kidney filters. Blood sugar control reduces creatinine and slows CKD progression. Your kidneys are an incredible organ with an amazing ability to heal. When you give them the right nutrition, small daily choices can move you closer to normal creatinine levels and further away from kidney failure to dialysis.